So they have a small petrol station actually. So it's easy whenever you drive in Nusa Lembongan, and you just drive with a scooter, and when you run out of the petrol, easy. Everywhere they have a mini petrol station.
No big Pertamina.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? That's the third day of the Nusa Lembongan, and we just arrived to Mahagiri. Winnie was whinging this morning a little bit, but look how she happy is now. Why you was whinging this morning? Tell me.
No, Damian like silly this morning. I don't know. He keeps saying, "Honey, don't go like 12 o'clock and blah blah blah." It's not 12 o'clock.
Exactly.
What's the point? You have a holiday in Lembongan and then you just sleep in the room for all time.
Yeah, but it's not.
Just stay home.
But
Don't go to Lembongan,
look, it's the most hottest time at the full entire day between 12 and 2 o'clock, and it's difficult to even catch the autofocus on our face because it's so dark because the sun is very high. However, this is the day 3 on Nusa Lembongan and the last one. Tomorrow morning we're going to back to Bali.
Actually.
We arrived to the Mahagiri beach. This one is Mahagiri beach.
Yes, this is called Mahagiri beach actually because they have a, the resort called Mahagiri.
Yeah, the resort
behind
over
us
here is
here.
the biggest resort actually in Nusa Lembongan.
I think that this is the one of the biggest resort in Nusa Lembongan, but unfortunately it's closed during this time.
Yeah, it's definitely close, and I'm just watching this way as this is like statues like this one with the lights, the mushrooms. I don't know why.
Oh, it's not mushroom.
It looks like a mushroom.
Jellyfish.
A mushroom jellyfish.
No.
The same thing. What are you gonna explore now?
I wanna go to the famous deck restaurant. I know it's closed and we see it's closed, but they are the most famous spot whenever you go to
It's very
Nusa
beautiful
Lembongan.
there. Unfortunately it's closed. I think we will go to explore a little bit area, and we will see maybe a mangrove exploration.
Yeah.
We will see. So what's the day is gonna bring us today, and see you there.
Yeah.
So we just arrived to the mangrove, and we're gonna have some mangrove throw with this lovely guy over here on the boat.
Yeah, so now we are in the mangrove area. So I met this guy and then we will go to the mangrove. So let's see.
Yeah, we'll see. We're going on the small boat. Oh, cheese! Oh, okay, I'm next to Sai. Oh, next to Sayang, so scary.
All right.
Alright, so we have a tour to Mangrove. This is one of the famous activities in Nusa Lembongan. Also, after the previously comments, many of you guys who are watching us, you never been in Nusa Lembongan, so we decide as we're gonna stay actually one day longer and explore as much
as
possible
we can in Nusa Lembongan.
Yes. And that's how it looks. So this is the captain of the boat and mangrove. Yeah, everybody know what is mangrove, right? You wanna explain what is mangrove actually?
You can Google about it.
You can go about. However, we will show you. The image is the most important, right? By the way, I asked the captain behind us if there are crocodiles here. Unfortunately, no crocodiles here, so will be not much emotions. However, he said the snakes. I asked about snakes, and he's oh yes.
Yeah.
So maybe snakes, honey.
Yeah, so the animals that normally live in the mangrove forest is the biawa. It's like kind of the komodos.
It's like a mini version of Komodo. They are not
Komodos,
Komodo
and then they
dragons,
have
but
a-
they say lizard like
Yes.
this.
So they also have what is it? Kind of
Snakes.
crabs, snakes, birds. Also, as you know, that mangrove is really important. It's very important for the sea. Yeah, and this is a source of the oxygen. Wow, I'm talking like I'm a naturalist.
You should. The National Geographic should sure hire you. Huh?
Maybe I think that after you watch my video, maybe some of the viewers are, you know, working in National Geographic. Maybe they can hire us to.
Yeah, hire her as the TV presenter or science or something, and hire me as the editor. Will be fine. We will be a great couple.
All right. So
Yeah,
as you see, in this mangrove, only us.
only us.
Only us.
Okay, we will show you a few snaps. It's very beautiful here, and obviously very hot.
Yeah, this is just remembering me about the Mekong tour in the Vietnam.
Yeah, in Vietnam.
If
it's
you've been to
something like that.
Vietnam and something like this, also, you know, like you are doing a trip in the Mekong River, just like this. The feeling is just like this. But
Alright.
different is now we are in the mangrove tour
In Nusa Lembongan,
in
Bali.
Nusa Lembongan, Bali. Boom.
Oh, we crashed. Nice.
It's very cool experience actually. It's very nice. How do you feel? Are you scared?
I'm looking for the crocodiles.
So now you're gonna be like
Indiana Jones.
Steve Irwin or something
Steve
who is
Irwin.
looking for the crocodile. There is no crocodile here.
Yeah, that sucks a little bit. I have to go to Florida maybe for that. But it's nice experience, definitely. But I would like not to walk there between those trees. Probably
Alright.
lots of snakes.
All right.
And we are waiting for the baby Komodo.
Bapak, how is the situation right now? Do you have many customers, Bapak?
Iya,
So let's say today, how many guests you have? Berapa tamunya hari ini, Pak?
oh kalau tamunya hari ini ada 50 tadi.
Oh, tadi pagi 50.
lokal
Wow.
Lokal,
wow.
lokal.
Lokal semua. Wah. Biasanya hari-harinya ada nggak Pak tamu yang datang
Ada,
ke sini?
ada.
Ada.
Ada dari 1 bulan ini baru ada gini.
Baru ada tamu ya,
Tamu, ya.
sejak Lembongan dibuka ya.
Kali ini.
Okay, since Nusa Lembongan is open, slowly, you know, the guests coming to Nusa Lembongan have a mangrove tour. As you know, like the difference between Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Penida is Nusa Lembongan, you can find the mangrove tour, but in Nusa Penida, you cannot find it. So the mangrove only exists in Nusa Lembongan. Well, actually that from the interview that we asked the question before, he said for today he lucky that got a 50 local customers, local tourists coming. Yeah, since you know Nusa Lembongan open at this month, yeah, every day he got a
Somebody's
guest.
come. That's
Somebody's
good.
come. Yeah, at least that he has something to do. You
That's
know.
good.
Ooh, can you hear the sound of the birds? Beautiful. Okay.
that, and after the Mangrove we arrived to the Agung Beach Club, which is very next to the Mangrove. Waiting for the drinks, some bintangs maybe, yes honey?
Yeah.
Oh, you look so chantic today in your new dress. Yeah, you always chantic actually. That's my sayang. Alright, and by the way, very nice. We're sitting like on the tree house, something like this. Look, and just at the edge is the beach and the beautiful place for the picture, however you call this. There, this big island over there is the Bali. So amazing place, very hot, very nice ocean breeze. Good vibe, really good vibe. Yes, honey, do you enjoy today? Anyway, your holiday in Nusa Lembongan?
Yes. It's really amazing experience actually.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Even like, to be honest with you guys, this is our first time, even with Damian and I go to the Mangrove. I know we've been living in Bali for quite a long time, but
All your life?
yeah, for me, I'm all in my life, but I never interested in doing Mangrove tour because I know that will be so many tourists and it's tourist place. But now I decided to go. I just want to feel the experience. But yeah, it is cool.
The most important, you are happy, sayang.
Yeah. Even like we walk in the middle of the
street and the city center actually in Nusa Lembongan.
Yeah, many restaurants are closed.
Like this one, even Daush is closed. Well, actually, the shop is closed, as I understand. However, the restaurants, small warungs, actually, very quiet. Only doggo here barking.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I think it's so hot, like I said to Winnie before. I think we will go back, chill out a little bit at home.
Yes, I think so. That's bike nap.
Alright, so we decided we will talk and drive a little bit, like a monkey style on Nusa Lembongan.
So as you see that there is no restaurant even open here at this area. Actually, this is the center of JungutBatu actually, and 69 Slam close over there.
Many shops and many, here is the Lembongan Beach Club.
Yeah, Lembongan Beach Club is closed, and this restaurant closed.
Basically,
And this one, the restaurant homestay is closed.
basically 80%, 90% of businesses in city center here, they are just basically closed, literally closed. Unfortunately, yeah, like
This restaurant closed.
yeah, like almost everything is just closed. This one is actually open one, but yeah, like I said, 80-90%.
sunburn actually.
So I got sunburn because of Winnie idea. Now it's 3 o'clock. It's cool. We chill at home and look at my face. It's not funny that. Okay, I got fresh aloe vera, aloes actually, because this is actually a leaf of aloes. You can show Honey here.
Yeah.
And basically you can buy obviously aloe vera gel, but you can have a natural one. So as you can see, my face has a so funny color right now. And this is the fresh piece of aloes. It's like aloe vera.
We are so lucky that my friend gave it to him, and then actually aloes it also grows here.
And this is big, giant tropical leaf of aloes. We have at Poland. My mama have, but the small, very small. This one is big, fresh from the garden. So basically, this is the gel inside, like a tube. And you just put like this on your nose, because this is like so sensitive later on my hands, and just like aloe gel, what you can buy in apothec somewhere, in pharmacy shop or in the shop. But this one is natural. Anyway, no aloes gel in Nusa Lembongan, I don't think so, as they have somewhere, so it's fine. Tomorrow my skin will be nice, very tan. I hope so. Alright, so like I said, little bit sunburned today because of the Winnie. Of course, my sayang decided to go at 12 o'clock somewhere instead of 3. Now it's 4 p.m.
I'm the troublemaker then.
Yeah. But ice cappuccino is always good to drink or to do like this. Doesn't matter. And so what are we gonna do after that, honey?
We will watch sunset, but we will go to JungutBatu area.
Alright.
But before, let's have a cold, like ice cappuccino.
Apologies for my face
Cool
today,
myself, you know. And then yummy cake. And of course, in this favorite coffee shop in Nusa Lembongan.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Hey, honey,
What?
why you left the key here?
This is Nusa Lembongan. Who gonna take it?
Are you sure?
Yeah, look at around there. I saw NMAX with the key somewhere.
How if somebody steal the bike?
Good luck with them.
They
they don't even have a proper registrations here because it's no police in Nusa Lembongan.
So
here is just easy going back. So we just arrived at the deck area, famous deck. And what's the area actually? The beach name? I forgot. But this
one is Lembongan Island Beach.
Look at the wooden chops.
Yeah.
They probably using this for the plants, the lines into the seaweed. Anyway, we're heading now to the famous deck. Yeah, it's unfortunately literally everything is closed here. Unfortunately.
This area actually famous for the Lembongan Island Beach villas.
Yeah.
There are many villas here, and also the famous restaurant in Lembongan. Whenever you open Lembongan, and then the iconic Lembongan restaurant is here actually. Yeah.
Yeah,
so
the
we
most.
will see how it is now, the situation.
It's so hot.
Yeah.
Apologies about my face, like I said. That's any fault. I'm so sorry. But in next 2 days should be fine, so don't worry. Actually quite a little bit sad view, because this is the rooftop bar and they left literally everything, like tables, chairs, and yeah, it's just looks like abandoned, like in the rush abandoned. However, this is Nusa Lembongan, so everybody know each other here and nobody gonna steal, stole, take anything, right, honey? Yeah, so basically here is the people have small community and they know each other, and that's why even if something closed, they don't really like take off the stuff. Yeah, we'll explore more about this area. Yeah, but definitely everything unfortunately is closed.
Oh yes, here it is. Alright, so yesterday night I got a message from Instagram. Hi Scott! How is it in Melbourne? Is it good? So now I am in front of playground Nusa Lembongan. As what you text me yesterday, you really want to see how playground villa in Nusa Lembongan. Unfortunately, it is closed. Sorry Scott, sorry. But we try our best to make an update around here. I hope you like it. I know that you really miss Bali, and this is how it is now. Alright, so this area is very famous in Nusa Lembongan for the villas with the beachfront views. Unfortunately, like this one, Villa Batu Karang Resort and Spa is closed. Villa Santi, Villa Damai, the villas on Lembongan. Well, actually this area is complex of villas and it's closed. So for you guys asking us lots of questions about the updates of the villas with the beachfront view, I know, and this one is, I'll show you, even the famous restaurant, the Deck Cafe and Bar. This one, this is the famous restaurant, the most iconic restaurant in Nusa Lembongan is also closed. So yeah, this is how it is.
So actually, why the deck is closed?
Well, actually, the Deck Restaurant and Bar is closed because it's not open. So what should I say?
Alright, so that's how it looks, the situation in this area. And now we're gonna go to another one very famous place in Nusa Lembongan. It's called
Ohana.
yeah.
So Ohana is a hotels and also restaurant and also kind of a small beach club where they have a swimming pool right in front of the hotel and facing the sea. So
we'll see.
So we arrived in Ohana's actually.
But it's
Unfortunately, it's closed. Okay.
Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach then. Yeah, Ohana, unfortunately, it's closed. You see?
I still remember when I was playing this pool in Ohana. Very nice place, by the way.
Yeah.
But yeah. It's about 4:30. It's still very hot. Oh my god, I will have a really bad summer. This is the Indiana Kenyanga, something like this. Indiana. Remember this lady who was planting the seaweed? She used to work here, a French owned. Unfortunately, also closed. Actually, almost everything here is closed. Tarchi Bungalow Warung, I think, is open. Winnie is already there. Heating, yes. They are open. Thanks God. Because oh my god, this sun in Nusa Lembongan nearly make me look like a very dark skin, but at the moment it's so red. My apologies for that. Chilling with in the Agus Shipwreck bar restaurant, having some cola. So you see this beach is literally empty. I don't know, I got a little bit sunburned today and I feel like not dizzy or something, but tired of sun. Check this out, this Mrs. Monkey, where she is swimming nearly like a private beach. It's still very sunny, I don't know why, but today's day is extremely hot and sunny, and we are very lucky as we found this Agus Shipwreck restaurant, because there's only one bar warung here in this area, which is actually pretty sad, but yeah, like we make a vlog before 90% or 100%, 90% people just come back to seaweed farming. Just left the tourist industry because anyway not many people is coming here, right? And here is the water.
Cold.
Could you imagine that? It's so hot in Nusa Lembongan in Bali right now, but the water is really cold, yeah?
For me already cold, maybe for you guys still warm. This is why actually I love Nusa Lembongan, because at this situation maybe like, you know, with the criminality or something, but here in Nusa Lembongan you don't need to worry about whenever you left your bike somewhere, you leave your bag somewhere.
That's what we were talking just about. As here is definitely much easygoing vibe, and like yeah, it's nobody really like it's no crime here, you know. If you compare to the Gili Islands, let's say, there I hear we read, yeah, in many forums as they are crime a little bit, but here,
yeah, because last time that I read in one Facebook group about Gilis, there was one Russian guy. Actually, he lost his passport and then he lost everything actually in Gili Island. Maybe because he took too much mushrooms and he forgot. I don't know. He lost his phones also. So yeah.
That's how it looks like. But here is very safe, and yeah, literally you can leave everything on the street and
yeah, even
fine.
that we left the keys in the motorbike.
No problem.
Yeah, no problem.
Yo, what's up?
face already sunburn. And then, yeah, this is the third day we are in Nusa Lembongan.
And the last one
And
at
the
the
last
same
day,
time.
actually, because tomorrow we are heading back to Bali. And I feel so relaxed, so chilled. Like finally we can have a sweet escape together for 3 days actually.
Yes.
So yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you. You're already watching for 3 days in Nusa Lembongan. And yeah, I think that's all.
That's it, and like always, new vlog at 7 p.m. Bali time. Tomorrow will be something new, already from Bali. Tomorrow's vlog will be from Bali probably.
Yeah.
And like always, don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe. I hope so you enjoyed our vlogs from the Nusa Lembongan.
Yeah.
And yeah, see you tomorrow. Yeah.
Bye.
See ya. Take care, guys.